In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Convert feature. This is a quick, beginner-friendly way to swap one crypto for another without dealing with charts, order books, or complex order types. It's perfect when you want a simple, straightforward exchange at a quoted rate. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on the main dashboard so you can easily find the trading tools. If your app interface looks different, that's okay. Binance occasionally updates the layout, but the feature is the same. Next, tap Convert. You'll typically find it within the trade section. If you don't see it right away, look for a Convert button on the home screen shortcuts or use the app's search bar to locate Convert. This tool is designed to be simple. You tell Binance what you want to exchange and what you want to receive, and it shows you a live quote. Now, select from. This is the asset you are exchanging out of, essentially what you're selling. Tap the asset field and choose the coin or token from your available balances. You can type a symbol like BTC or USDT to find it faster. Keep an eye on your available balance displayed there. That's the maximum you can use. If you see a max option, that's a convenient way to populate all available funds for that asset, but only use it if you intend to convert the entire amount. Then, select To. This is the asset you want to receive. Pick the coin or token you'd like to end up with. Not all pairs are supported directly, so if your target asset doesn't appear, try a commonly supported intermediary like a major stablecoin. Remember, Convert handles the swap within your Binance account balances. There's no need to select a blockchain network here. Finally, tap Preview. The preview screen shows your quoted price, the estimated amount you'll receive, and a short timer indicating how long the quote is valid. If the timer expires, just refresh to get a new quote. Rates can move with the market, so slight differences between previews are normal. The cost of the conversion is typically built into the quoted price rather than as a separate fee. Take a moment to confirm the details, check any minimum or maximum limits, and make sure the numbers align with what you expect. That's the core flow. Open the app, go to Convert, choose the asset you're converting from, choose the one you're converting to, and review the quote on the preview screen. With this, you can confidently use Binance Convert for fast, no-fuss swaps.